the cost of a breakdown on an ambulance especially is much more serious than if it's a private car. If it's a private car, you pull over to the side of the road, you get out your cell phone, and you call a tow truck. If it's an ambulance, then there's 50% chance that there's going to be a patient in the back, and you can't wait for a tow truck. We've had multiple times where we've had failures, multiple failures on single ambulances within a 2-week period. A fan clutch can fail in 2 ways. It can stop spinning, which means you're not pulling air through the radiator. Speaking with the engineers, we were able to come up with a reasonable rationale on why that happens because of the loads placed on the fan when the vehicle is underway under full power. There are certain things you should not try to save money on. The cost of repairing your ambulance generally works out to 10 to 25% of the cost of ownership. So you can use purchasing high quality parts as a means of protecting your investment in the vehicle that you own, because the cost of replacing the vehicle on a per mile basis is generally about 5 times the cost of repairing it. So yeah, this is an excellent return on investment. Not only do I recommend them, I pretty much, because of the high failure rate we've seen with the OEM, I essentially won't install anything else right now, because I have a certain amount of responsibility to make sure that the vehicle stays on the road. I have my own liability to protect, especially in the case of emergency vehicles. So I just say no. If they want a cheaper part, then they're going to have to find a cheaper shop.